How should I choose my DNS? When I have to choose my DNS, I think that I should consider speed, reliability, privacy, control, reports and stats. The main options that come to my mind, and how I weigh them according to the above factors, are: my ISP equals faster, closer to me, but less privacy. They can associate my DNS requests to myself. Opens and such equals more control and more privacy. All they have is one of my email addresses. Google equals less privacy. They can associate my DNS requests to my Google account and my searches. What weighting factors or other options have I missed?
My ISP equals faster, closer to me. This is a common misconception. Distance does not make up speed on its own. Compare using the old single network cables out of metal to the newer multiple glass fiber cable systems, like DOCSIS 3.0. Other than propagation delay, you also have a processing delay on the server. I'm pretty sure that the DNS server at an ISP is less powerful to a DNS server hosted by Google, hence it is completely possible or a server that's at a much greater distance to actually be faster than your ISP's DNS server. Hosting your DNS router/server might be the fastest, though it doesn't have all the DNS records stored. Namebench by Google can help you pick out a better DNS server. The rest in your question is subjective. Are you a power user with 5 minutes to spare? Do you want a faster internet experience? Try out Namebench. It hunts down the fastest DNS servers available for your computer to use. Namebench runs a fair and thorough benchmark using your web browser history, dump output, or standardized datasets in order to provide an individualized recommendation. Namebench is completely free and does not modify your system in any way. This project began as a 20% project at Google. Namebench runs on Mac OS X, Windows, and Unix, and is available with a graphical user interface as well as a command line interface. Here are the screens you will go through while using this program. There is also a command line version there.
Another freeware tool for testing and finding a good DNS server is DNS Benchmark by GRC. It comes with a customized top 50 list, which both Google and Opens are usually listed, that will find the best 50 servers to test based on your IP. It does a very thorough test and will tell it if the server supports InSec and if they redirect bad domains to their own landing page instead of giving an invalid domain response.
Many content distribution networks use your DNS server to route you to an optimal location. Using Google or Opens means that they may not be able to route you optimally. Using Google DNS for Google content will get you great performance from them, but not anyone's DNS-LB, or a CDN like Limelight, Level 3 or others. Using Opens damns you with everyone. Google put out an RFC about some suggested fixes for this, but they are not implemented, so you stay screwed by using non-local name servers.
Consider configuring your own caching DNS server with NSMISC or another project like Name. I find that having control over this greatly speeds up my browsing past the first request. Your OS may also allow you to control its own built-in cache.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.